Hello guys, so today I'm gonna explain you what is a for loop in Python programming. A for loop in Python used to iterate over a sequence which could be a list, tuple, array or string. It is also a control flow statement specifying iteration. It will run the code until certain conditions are satisfied. Now note some point that a for loop will only run until the certain conditions are satisfied, and it is also a control flow statement specifying iteration. Let me give you an example. So we have a list name edge, which is a short form of adjective. So here we made a box and red, red comma big comma tasty, and let me close it down. Then the second list name is fruits, and we should give name to the strings. Yes, we will. Apple, banana and cherry. Let me close it down. So these two lists are nested loop. A loop has two types, for loop and while loop. We are learning for loop. So a for loop has a nested loop also. Now for x in adjective, for y in fruits colon print x y. Now let's see if our code is executed successfully. Let's see. Yes, for thank godness our code is successfully executed. Now red apple, red banana, red cherry, big apple, big banana, big cherry, tasty apple, tasty banana, tasty cherry. Now let me explain you this code. Adjective and fruits, these two are lists in Python programming, and these are and like these code are arranged, these are also called nested loop. Now what is for x in adjective? So the outer loop for x in adjective iterates over each element and adjective for each iteration. Same goes for y in fruits. So we have given x and y name to our list, for x in adjective and for y in fruits, and our ninth line print x and y. So it is inside the inner loop. There is a print statement that prints the combination of the current adjective and the current fruit, and I think there is a mistake. For x in adjective and for y in fruits and print x y, these are nested loop. Adjective and fruits are not nested loops. For x in adjective and for y in fruits, these are called nested loops in for loop. Now if you have understand this code, do like, subscribe and share. Thank you.